In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel files to Google Forms. If you've got questions laid out in Excel and you want people to answer them online, this process will take you from a spreadsheet to a clean, shareable Google form in just a few minutes. Start by uploading your Excel file to Google Drive. Open drive.google.com and sign in. Click the New button. Choose File Upload and select your Excel file from your computer. You'll see an upload indicator in the bottom corner. Wait for it to finish. When you spot your file in Drive, you are ready for the next step. Open that Excel file as a Google Sheet. Right-click the file in Drive, choose Open With, and then select Google Sheets. This opens a converted view of your spreadsheet in a new tab. Think of it as a working copy that lets Google Tools read your data properly. Now save it in Google's native format so everything integrates smoothly with Forms. In the Spreadsheet tab, go to File, then Save as Google Sheets. Drive will create a new Google Sheets version alongside your original Excel file, which stays unchanged. You can glance at the tab name or file list to confirm the new version exists before continuing. With your questions available in Google Sheets, it's time to build the form. Open Google Forms in a new tab and start a blank form. Give the form a clear title and short description so respondents know what to expect. Then switch back to your Google Sheet. Copy a question and paste it into the question field in Forms. If your question has multiple choices listed in the sheet, copy the list and paste it directly into the options area. Forms will split each line into its own choice automatically. Choose the appropriate question type, like multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answer. So responses come in the format you need. Continue moving through your sheet, copying each question and its options into the form. As you go, preview the form to make sure everything looks right, and toggle required on questions that must be answered. Small, clear labels and consistent wording will make the form easier to complete. That's it. You uploaded your Excel file to Drive, opened it in Google Sheets, saved it in native format, and built your Google form by copying your questions across. Thanks for watching.